Dutchman Mods and Repairs back. Just another quick video on this. This is just basically, we're in the process of changing out the drive belt on this 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 3.6. And one of the ways you can tell that your belt's going bad is you can see these little cracks in here. Okay, that's not good. This belt actually overall isn't in too bad a shape, you know, because there's some places you can go and you don't have any cracks, some you have a little bit, but I'm sure that this is the original belt on it. For sure, one of the things that I'm most concerned about, you got some of these cracks that go all the way down there, and you never know at what point that's going to fail on you. So just use that as a reference. You can see that when it's on the vehicle. Just get the flashlight down on there, and if you see cracks on your belt, just kind of an initial warning that, hey, you might want to schedule that in your calendar to replace your drive belt. Hope this helps somebody out.